Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing around with our Boxycharm box for the month of October. And if you guys are wondering why this video is going up so late, it is basically UPS and USPS's fault. I tried calling USPS. I was supposed to get it delivered like the beginning of the month, and they said, oh, it's already been delivered. Never got delivered. And I went out of town this weekend, and they magically found it and delivered it to my doorstep. So it was a really fun conversation with the post office, and let me tell you, they are not very fun to talk to. We're going to get diving right into it. I'm going to be unboxing it as well as playing around with it. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen some of these unboxings, so you guys know what we're getting, but we're still going to play around with it, and I'm going to create a look for you guys, so let's do this. I apologize in advance if you guys can hear little kids running around. My kids don't have school today. They are out of school because it's parent-teacher conferences. So the very first item inside our box is the Brio Joe Don't Despair, Repair, Strengthen, Moisture Leave-In Mask. Now this one, I do believe that you just put it in your hair and then you go about, so it's like a leave-in conditioner. I have the Brio Joe Leave-In Deep Conditioner, and that stuff is incredible. I think we've gotten it in our boxes before. I've gotten in some other unboxings that I've done here on my channel, and I swear by that stuff. I've used it so much, and it's really good. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but it is definitely worth the money. So to begin the look, we're going to start off with the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. I will say that the eyeshadows look so fun. Although there's only 6 shadows in here, you can create some really fun, incredible looks with this. So that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to attempt to try to do this entire look just using this palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this deep matte shadow, which is actually the only matte shadow in the palette, and it is called Sneak Peek. I'm going to be taking it on my Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Crease Brush. This color goes on pretty well. All right, so we have the very first shade on, and I will tell you guys that that matte shadow works really nicely, and it blends out really, really soft too, which I really like. So we're going to go ahead and cut the crease using a creamy concealer. Once we get done doing that, my plan is to go in with this light silvery bluish shade, which is called Expose, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner. For the center, I'm going to go in with Showtime. I really want to use this blue because I literally just did an eye look from e.l.f. Cosmetics using a green. And then on the outer corner, just to add some depth, I think I'm going to go in with 12 a.m. Just to add a little bit of pizzazz, I'm going to go in with the heavy metal glitter, and this here is in the shade AC/DC, and I'm just going to add it right on top of the silver because I feel like the silver isn't coming off as vibrant as I would want it to. For the waterline, I'm actually just going to take a black pencil. To blend it out a little bit further, I'm going to go in with the chocolate brown inside the palette. The next thing in our box is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This is by far one of my favorite mascaras. I actually think I featured it quite a few times in tutorials and in my monthly favorites. I talk about how much I absolutely love it. I got a sample of it in one of my unboxings, and I went ahead and I bought the full-size version because it's just that great. So you could definitely wear this without falsies, but I think falsies would be a little bit better just because this look is a little bit more intense. So because I used a Pure Cosmetics on the eyes, I figured I would use their false lashes also. The style I'm going to go in with is called a Socialite. All right, you guys, so we have the lashes on. Now that we have the lashes, we're going to go ahead and finish up with the face. I'm going to go back in to the Masquerade palette, and I'm actually going to be taking probably going to take this shade because I feel like the shade's just a little too bright. So I'm going to go in with this shade and I'm going to be super light-handed with it. And I'm going to go in with the Luxie Pro Precision Tapered Brush. I look like a clown. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse it. This is bright. All right, and then for highlight, we're just gonna finish off with the highlight shade in the palette called Twilight. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my hair really quick before I do my lips, and I will be right back. So the hair is done. I just curled it really quickly. I did apply a lip liner to my lips. I used Max Whirl, and we're gonna finish off with the liquid lipstick, which I'm so excited about, you guys. And we're gonna be getting the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Bow and Arrow. I love that she put in one of her like really good signature liquid lipsticks in the boxes. I don't know if everybody got Bow and Arrow. If you guys got a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D, but you guys got a different shade, let me know. Oh my gosh, I love this color. The last thing I have in my box was the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, and this one is formulated for sensitive skin. So there is a pretty distinct smell to this. It also reminds me of like those fragrance like hand creams that you get in like hotel rooms. I don't know why, but that's what I get from this. It's very, though, therapeutic. So anywho, that is everything that we got inside this month's box. I have to say this month's box is pretty damn good. Definitely the face palette was awesome to work with. I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it was, and it's really great. I'm really impressed with it. And the liquid lipstick. I think the liquid lipstick alone pays for the box itself. So if you guys have not subscribed to Boxycharm and you guys want to pick it up, I'll have everything linked down below and you guys can head over. If you guys got your box already, which I'm assuming most of you guys already did, let me know what you guys think about this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's unboxing and try on style. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel before you guys head out, please make sure you do so you guys can be a part of my family. Thank you so much for the love and support you guys give me all the time, and I will see you guys all with my next video. Bye.